Hey, I've got a 94 Suburban and I'm installing this HO unit. It's a water filtration system and I just got it hooked right into the vacuum line of the looks like the overflow or the blow-by line off the valve cover gasket. I have the wiring going to the distributor, so it goes a little higher with a 15 amp fuse. Here, go ahead and start it up. Like you can see, I can make some bubbles there. Foams up pretty good. Give it a little bit of gas. You step on the gas and it makes a little bit more. Line it down. And then shut it off. And when the key shuts off, so does the gas. There we go. We'll see how the mileage does. Thank you.